Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned collard greens taste homemade. First, drain and rinse your canned collard greens very well to wash away extra sodium. Next, in a large pot, sauté 1/2 cup of chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of oil until fragrant. Then, add about 4 ounces of a smoked meat, like bacon or a small ham hock, to build a rich, savory foundation for your greens. Now, let's infuse those greens with incredible flavor. Add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a bright, tangy note that cuts through richness. For a gentle warmth, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Don't forget to season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance all the delicious tastes. The key to homemade taste is slow simmering. Once your greens are in the pot, add about 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth to provide moisture and deepen the flavor. Bring everything to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 1 hour, allowing all the wonderful flavors to fully meld together. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Before serving, always taste your collard greens and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or vinegar. For an extra layer of richness, stir in 1 tablespoon of butter or a drizzle of olive oil. Serve your perfectly seasoned, homemade tasting collard greens warm alongside your favorite main dishes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.